Hello students, welcome back. I, Akanksha Sharma, teacher at Madras India Public School, welcomes you back in part 3 of Geography, chapter 2. As in the previous video, I have already told you that in this video I'll be explaining you in detail that what is volcano and what are the types of volcanoes are there. As you can see the image of volcano, a volcano is an opening or vent in the earth's crust which allows hot magma, rock particles, volcanic ashes, steam and gases to escape from below the surface of the earth. As you can see it here, this is the hot magma chamber through which the lava is coming out, and it is coming out through this opening vent. As you can see, this here is a vent, and the opening this surface is known as the crater cone. After that, the lava spread over here and there, all the sides. After that, whatever the ashes and gases, it goes towards the clouds. Now the conical mountain is formed when the erupted material collected around the vent. The vent is connected to the earth's interior by a narrow pipe. A funnel-shaped hollow at the top of the cone is called the crater. When the volcanic eruptions are slow, lava spread over large areas forming plateaus and plains of lava sheet. Example, Deccan Plateau. As you have all heard about the Deccan Plateaus in India, such lava plateaus are rich in minerals and make the soil fertile. Now, before that, moving ahead, I'll be telling you about the types of volcanoes. What are the types of volcanoes? Here we will be discussing about the 3 types of volcanoes. But before that, I'll be showing you one video in which you will be learning about the volcanoes.
It is a known fact, evidenced by the mine workers, that temperature and pressure increase with depth inside the Earth's crust. Scientists have estimated that temperature would be around 6,000 degrees Celsius at the core or the center of our planet. The outer layers of the Earth consist of layers of rock containing different types of minerals. There are a few minerals called the radioactive minerals, such as conical in shape. At the apex of these volcanic cones are funnel-shaped depressions called craters, which usually contain crater lakes but fiercely discharge volcanic materials at the time of an eruption. type of
Okay,
eruption.
dear students, this was all about the volcanoes. Now I'll be explaining you about the types of volcanoes. As you can see it here that there are three types of volcanoes. That is, number one is active volcano. Erupt frequently. They throw out lava, gases, ashes and rocks. These are also called live volcanoes. Means these are the volcanoes which keeps on erupting and they are never been remain silent. Second one is dormant volcano. Dormant volcanoes are the volcanoes that have become quiet after erupting and have not erupted for a long time. Means these volcanoes do erupt but not every time. These volcanoes remain silent for the few time. Third one is extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes have not erupted for hundreds of years. There is no possibility of any eruption in future. These are also called dead volcanoes. Means these volcanoes can never be erupted in future as well. So in this things we have learnt about the types of volcanoes. Now distribution of volcanoes. A great number of world's active volcanoes are found in a circular belt around the Pacific Ocean known as Circumpolar Pacific Belt. This ring coincides with the edge of the lithospheric plate. Second one, the belt of volcanoes is found along the Mediterranean Sea is called the Mid-World Mountain Belt. Mostly dormant and extinct volcanoes are found in this belt. Now in this part we have learnt about the volcanoes. This was all about this part, and in the next part we will be learning about the earthquakes and what are the earthquake waves. Thank you.